Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this tutorial. This is really easy, and if you want to start the pattern like the one I made, or if you want to make any kind of rib, it's really up to you. But let's start to get this pattern. What we can do in the first row, we are going to knit 2 and then skip 1 stitch. Repeat by knit 2 and bring the yarn in front, then slip and like that until the end of the row. Row 2, we start by pull 2. When it comes to that part, we are going to slip stitch again and make sure the yarn is at the back side in this row. Then pull 2, slip stitch again, pull 2, slip stitch. The yarn should be at the back, and then the last stitch as a edge. Row 3, we start by knit 2. When it comes in that one, we already have it. We are going to pull 1, yarn over, pull 1 again, yarn over, and pull 1 again. It means for this stitch we are going to have 5 loops. Let's do it again. Knit 2. When it comes to the stitch for pull, we are going to pull 1 before we take it out from the needle. Yarn over, pull again, yarn over, and pull again. Now I have 5 loops. Then I'm going to take the stitch out. We repeat the last one. And now we are in row 4. What we have to do, we are going to pull these 2. When it comes in that stitch, we take all 4 loops together and we knit all like that. Now when it comes to that part, we take all 5 loops and knit together. This is the pattern. Row 5, you are going to again knit 2. When it comes to the purl stitch, just slip, then knit 2, bring the yarn in front, slip that stitch, and it means that for this pattern we need to repeat all row from row 1 to row 4 to have a pattern. Let me do also this row for you. Always when it comes in front, you have to have the yarn at the back side, slip stitch that one, and then pull 2, slip, pull 2, and the one for edge. Let's do it one more time to see how the pattern looks like. Now we are going to make this one for 5 loop. 1, yarn over, 1 again, yarn over, and 1. And if we come in this row and start by knit all 5 loops together, you are going to have the second bubble exactly on the top of this one. If you repeat row 1 to row 4, you are going to have this beautiful pattern, and it can be used for any kind of project. After few repeats, you are going to have the pattern like this. This is the front side, and this is the back side of the work. That's all. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you like it, please share it with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a good day.